In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain on Shopify for the year 2020, applicable to all providers. Domain verification on Shopify is a crucial step if you want to run a professional online store, as it ensures that your website is fully integrated and authenticated with Shopify's platform. This process can seem daunting, but I'm here to break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. First, you'll want to start by going to your Shopify dashboard. Log into your Shopify account, and once you are inside your dashboard, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here is where you begin your journey to seamless domain verification. Navigating the dashboard is straightforward, so don't worry, each section is clearly marked for your convenience. Next, you will need to click on Settings, which you can usually find towards the bottom left of your dashboard. This section is your control center for various configurations within your Shopify store, providing you with access to everything from payment settings to shipping information. But today, we're focusing on domains. Once you are in the Settings menu, search for and select Domains. The Domains page is where you manage all your website URLs. If you've just added a new domain, or there's an existing one you haven't yet verified, this page will guide you through the next steps. As you move into the Domain section, look for any domains that have a status labeled Needs Verification. Clicking on it will take you to the Domain's Details page. Verifying your domain is essential to prove ownership, helping protect your brand and ensuring your customers know that they are interacting with the genuine site. Upon entering the domains requiring verification, you'll typically see a message prompting you to take action. One key step is the removal of any existing records that might conflict with the new configurations Shopify provides. Often, old or incorrect DNS settings can prevent your domain from verifying successfully. Shopify will offer you the option to remove these existing records. Click on this option, and Shopify will handle the cleanup for you, which simplifies troubleshooting potential domain issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will have successfully verified your domain on Shopify, securing your online store, and paving the way for a smooth e-commerce experience. This process is user-friendly and essential for establishing a credible and professional presence in the online marketplace. Remember, verifying your domain is a mandatory step, and it's advisable to keep abreast of any updates from both Shopify and your domain provider to ensure continued harmony between your systems. Thanks for watching, and as always, ensure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with more Shopify tips and tricks.